Let's talk about large storage bag, jumbo bag world map, Earth. The original jumbo storage bag world map collection. Extra large size, height, 19, width, 21, depth, 11. Eco-friendly, reusable and made of 90 recycled plastic bottles. Strong, durable, lightweight, foldable and wipeable. Perfect for storing bedding, duvets, clothes and laundry. I bought lots of these and other patterns from .com gift shop via Amazon for my recent house move, easier and smaller than boxes for clothes and soft furnishings, also handy to quickly look through without pressure to unpack on day one. I'm using them now as storage for bedding, in the loft with out-of-season clothes, and they were invaluable when I delivered my daughter to her student accommodation, no bulky suitcases to store and handy for her laundry. I love the design of this bag. The zip seems a bit dodgy though. I will be using my bag for storage. Feel the price could be reduced, as other customers have also commented that the zip is either broken or doesn't hold together very well. Strong storage bag with interesting design on it.